I will never moan about being stuck in traffic ever again after seeing this. If you thought you have it bad on the commute to work, these guys have it really bad. So we're heading over that direction. So the first mission of the afternoon is to cross this road. There's no rule, it's literally just go for it. This is Old Delhi. Good morning from New Delhi. So today is my final day in Delhi and I've decided to get the metro and I'm going to take it out to Old Delhi. It's roughly 5 stops from where I'm staying. Once I get out the metro, Old Delhi, we should hopefully come out at the Red Fort and we'll get some good shots of the Red Fort as well. No, thank you, sir.
That's for YouTube?
Yeah, say hello.
Hey, namaste from India.
Thank you. This is what all the metro stations roughly look like. They're very identifiable. And this here, if I just zoom in, this is gate number 1. So the tickets, they're like paper QR codes. They cost roughly 30 rupees. It's really cheap to get around Delhi on the metro. This is the cheapest metro I've ever been on. So this is Old Delhi. It's very different to where we started today's journey over in New Delhi. There's lots of street vendors, tuk-tuks, taxis, dogs, monkeys, cows. On the opposite side of the road, you can see one of the gates to the main gate to the Red Fort. If I just zoom in, so my Google Maps told me to get out at exit number 4. Just where the dog is sitting on top of the metro, but I thought it'd be better to come over to this side so I could get like the view that we're looking at. There's literally a dog on top of the metro roof. Incredible. There we go, there's a gap and I've made it across the road. So here, directly in front, is the Red Fort. YouTube, say hello. 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 That was good. So the entrance to the Red Fort here, just show you here. You might be able to pick up the traffic in the background. We're going to cross the road and head down into Old Delhi, where the spice markets are. So we're heading over that direction, and the road that we're walking down is a very famous road here in Old Delhi. That's where we're going to go. So the first mission of the afternoon is to cross this road. There's no rule, it's literally just go for it. So when I first came over, I just followed the locals basically. Let's have a go. This is Old Delhi. And then we'll go over to the following side. I'll go to this guy here. It's okay. And this is the main strip that I'm going to walk down here. It's famous for having lots of, not tuk-tuks, but like rickshaw cyclists. I'm okay. So I suspect walking down here now, I'm going to get asked if I want lots of things. I don't see, it's not that people aren't trying to scam, they're trying to make a living, they're selling things. And I'm completely okay with it. But there's probably going to be lots of people ask me if I want a tuk-tuk. I'm okay, sir. I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you, sir. I'm walking. I'm fine, thank you, sir. Okay. And so it begins. I'm going to switch the camera here, zoom in. Hopefully you might be able to pick it up on the screen. There's loads of monkeys. It's one thing I've really noticed here in Delhi: the noise, the pollution, and monkeys and stray dogs everywhere. We like the monkeys. They're nice. They're cute. One of the things that I was worried about before I came here is how safe it would be. And I have to say, I'm completely fine. I caught the metro here. It was really efficient. It was cheap. It was efficient. It was clean. It was safe. And just walking around in general, I don't feel in any danger or any threat at all. It's just a busy place. This is there's like 30 million people in the city. This particular area is really highly populated, and it's just only natural when the locals that work here, they're just going to ask you, if they want their services or if you want to buy stuff from them. They're just trying to earn a buck. But everybody's friendly and polite, and there was nothing to fear, basically. So this place here behind me, apparently it's quite a well-known eating spot, and the way that you get food is you get like a ticket, a voucher, and then you join the queue, and then you get the food. It was 110 rupees. It smelt really, really nice, but unfortunately that type of food's wasted on me, and I'm flying home tomorrow. It's not the day to be experimenting. Now there's something you don't see on the high street back home every day. There's quite a number of stray dogs about as well. You just got to be a bit careful where you're walking. So this is where we are at the moment, Chandni Chowk, and this is a map of the district. So my metro station today was here. I'm not going to have a go at pronouncing it. And then I went to the Red Fort. That's obviously a famous monument. And then we've walked down this way, and I'm going to head. So we are actually here. So I'm going to have a walk around this area, and the idea is to walk back and then get to the metro station there to return to New Delhi, where my hotel is. I think when we get towards the bottom of the road, like down this way, it's going to get more narrower and more chaotic. We've got another cow in the middle of the road. I think it's a cow. It could be an ox. Put something in the comment to tell me. But this is the end of the road from, if I look back here, Red Fort is down that road there. We've made it to the end. I think those barriers are there to restrict. You can only use like motorcycles. Oh, I'm not going to be able to get through here. This is a bad idea. Yeah, somebody's actually just said, you're going the wrong way. Don't go there. The electricity or the cabling is like spaghetti. I will never moan about being stuck in traffic ever again after seeing this. If you thought you have it bad on the commute to work, these guys have it really bad. I really want to cross this road. I don't know how to do it. I'm going to go for it. And there's the subway. That's exit number 4. It's incredible scenes. I'll be curious to see what it looks like at night time. So just outside the metro, as I said, that's exit or gate number 4. And then if I move over, switch the camera over here, through the gap, there's the main gate to the Red Fort, which I went to earlier. Got some guys that are curious to what I'm doing. Say hello. 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 So I'm going to head back on the metro station. It's 5 stops to my hotel. I'll take some shots there and I'll speak to you when I get to New Delhi. So that completes my day here in Delhi, and in fact this is my last day in India. Tomorrow I'm going to be flying back to the UK via Dubai. I'll be spending a couple of nights there, and in my next video I'm going to be recording how to go around Dubai, looking at all the big sites using the Dubai Metro. I hope you've enjoyed the content. If you have, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. This is what it's like on a tuk-tuk in Delhi. Stick to trains, people.